They just texted me na Hey guys, good afternoon. Today is a Saturday and time check. It's 1:15. Gusto ko lang mag-video kasi feeling ko medyo productive day today even though hapon na. I have my facial appointment at 1:30. So, 15 minutes na lang. And ewan ko, sana umabot kami. I decided to get my facial kasi clogged na yung pores ko. Tapos, kailangan niya lang talaga na ngayon. Kasi last year na nagpa-facial ako was back in the Philippines bago ako bumalik. And after ng facial na yun, feeling ko nag-purging talaga ako. Talagang nag-breakout ako malala. Ngayon na lang, recently na lang, itong mga nakaraang buwan na lang, kumalma yung skin ko. Ang dinideal ko ngayon is yung acne scars. Like, makikita nyo sa cheeks ko, may mga acne scars ako. Yeah, I know effective yung laser. But yung laser kasi dito medyo price compared sa Pilipinas. So, if ever magpapa-laser ako, siguro sa Pilipinas na lang. Hopefully. But yeah, for today, I have my facial at 1:30. And then, may kailangan akong i-pick up sa Uniqlo. Kasi I bought pants from Uniqlo, but unfortunately nung nag-stop pa ako ng mall last night, pa-close na sila. It's either before ko i-pick up yung pants or after, thread lang din ako ng kilay ko kasi sabog na yung kilay ko. Ako lang talaga kasi naglilinis ng kilay ko and feeling ko nanipisan ko siya lalo. So sabi ni mama sobrang nipis daw, kaya pinatubo ko muna yung pinatubo ko muna yung sa kilay ko and feeling ko okay naman na siya for threading. So ipapa-shape ko lang, kailangan na talaga kasi ng shape kasi wala talagang shape yung kilay ko guys. Like ang shape niya parang si Sadness, malungkot sila, nakaganyan siya.
I know you're tired, I know you try so hard. Boy, I got you. I give you warm, I give you safe and sound. Oh yeah, I know you have your blue days. Try to get out your head, try to understand how to make things work again.
Okay guys, so kakatapos ko lang magpa-facials and namumula yung buong mukha ko. Okay naman yung facial, feeling ko okay naman siya, pero parang nag-expect lang ako na madaming extractions yung gagawin since it's been a year since the last time I had my facial done. Or nagmamarunong lang siguro talaga ako na kailangan ng skin ko ng extraction. Wherein hindi naman masyadong marami yung kailangan i-extract. Now, naka-receive na ako ng text sa Uniqlo. So, they just texted me na okay na yung pants ko, yung alteration ko is ready for pickups.
But don't you worry, 'cause I got you, babe. I'm always
Ganda ng pagkakaan.
here to stay. I got you. I know you're tired.
And ang pagkaka-alter, oh my God! Ang ganda. Wala kasi akong puting pants. So, yeah. I decided to get one. And perfect yung haba. Oh my God, I like it.
Oh yeah.
Sabi ni Marlon, walang pinagbago sa kilay ko. Pero nakikita ko talaga yung pinagbago, guys. Sumaba yung kilay ko, gumanda yung korte ng kilay ko. Finally, hindi na siya mukhang gubat. So anyways, I stopped by Sephora, guys. Bumili lang ako ng onte, nag-restock lang ako. Actually, hindi siya restock. Parang nag-change ako ng products kasi ubos na naman na yung ginagamit ko. So basically, restock shop, but at the same time, different products. First off, I got the Ordinary Aloe 2% Plus NAG 2% solution from The Ordinary. First time trying this product. I believe it's best for my skin because it's a soothing serum for blemish prone skin. And this one will actually support the other product that I've been using from The Ordinary, which is the azelaic acid. I only use it at night, so they said this one and the azelaic acid is a good combination to, you know, fade my acne marks. And then the next thing that I got from The Ordinary is a moisturizer. So this one is the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus plus HA. And the last thing that I got, guys, is eto favorite feeling. First time nga eh. I mean, faded. Excited ako dito. Tapos pink pa siya. So excited to use this one. I'm so happy today. Nakakailang sabi na ako, I'm so happy. I got the stuff that I need, things that I needed to do. And actually parang spring reset siya. Yes, spring reset. Kasi nga, di ba, pa-spring na tayo. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye! Ulit kasi Marlon got me some food from McDonald's. So favorite ko yung Oreo. Yeah. Favorite ko yung Oreo and then yung fries. I-dip sa McDonald's. I mean sa Oreo. Yeah.
Ay, Titi me preguntó, tengo mucha...
Cherries, Lorraine, cherries,
Mucha no, ya hoy tengo una mañana